Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are here finally with the one of the latest Series 8 smartwatch in the market. What we have here is the IW8 Smartwatch. So far, based on the review, okay, article as well as videos, the smartwatch I think is one of the best, okay, so far in the Series 8 category. So we have here the IW8 Smartwatch. We're going to have a review and unboxing of this wearable. Okay, so we're going to check on the design as well as the specifications of this smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding this wearable, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. So we have the wearable here, so let's check. So far here, okay, based on the packaging here, it looks decent. Okay, it looks beautiful. Okay, so for several years now, okay, the packaging is getting better and better. Okay, and of course we have here listed right away the features of the wearable. So we have, wow, this is the first time I've seen this one. We have a TikTok support. Okay, we're going to try this. We have NFC, bedside lamp, full screen. We have wireless charging, voice assistant, and Alipay. But so far, okay, we already encountered this one with the newest Series 7 smartwatches. So this one, it is our first, okay, first time to encounter a smartwatch with the support for TikTok. Okay, so that's it. Let's see here at the back, we have the RD Fit support app. Okay, so let's check the contents of the wearable here. Okay, we have a user manual. Okay, so it is available in English here and of course Chinese language. Okay, the user manual. We have the magnetic or the wireless charging cable here. We have the strap and we have the smartwatch. Okay, so let's check. So far it looks good, I think. Okay, so let's remove this. Okay, okay, we have the metal glossy finish here, ceramic back. Okay, so far it looks good. Okay, it looks premium here. Okay, just the right size, I think. Okay, so we are going to check on the specifications of this one. Okay, let's check on the weight without the strap here. Okay, again, this is the IW8 smartwatch with a zinc alloy body here, ceramic back cover, and a 2.5D tempered glass screen here. Okay, so let's try and check. So we have 00 without the strap. It weighs around 34.71. I guess we can round it off to 35. Okay, so with the strap, okay, so let's try. Okay, so let's attach this first. I hope it will be easy to install the strap. Okay, so far okay, so no issues with the strap. So it is okay. Let's wait for the 00. So 48 point something. Okay, Let's make it sure. We have 50. Okay, flat 50.0 grams. Okay, so very a lightweight smartwatch. Okay, while for the dimension here, so let's try and check. Okay, so we are on the 41. Okay, category here, or 42. Then here, this one on this side, we are on the 36. For the thickness, as you can see here, very slim form factor compared to other Series 7, okay, or clone smartwatches. We have, okay, 8. This is 8 millimeter only. Usually it's around 9 or 10 millimeter. So this one, it's not including the sensor here. It's just 8. Very slim wearable. Okay, so let me check. So for the screen display here, I think it is one of the best so far. So let's wear this and let's feel whether it's comfortable to wear. Okay, so it looks good, looks nice so far, as you can see. Nice. I'm impressed with the finish here. Okay, or the frame, although it's not smudge resistant here, as you can see. It's not oil resistant, but so far it looks premium. Okay, so again, let's take a look at the design here. Let me remove this one. Okay, so far it looks nice. So let's adjust this one. Okay, so the strap is okay, that's it. Okay, so for the screen display here, so let's check. I'm going to turn it on. We still have juice left for this one. Let's check. It's not turning on. Maybe there's no more battery for this. Okay, just long press. So we have the smartwatch here. I don't know if we do have a slim bezel. Let's look for other watch face here. Okay, so we still have some black line here, bezel. Okay, but so far for the screen display, it says in the specs page for this, wow, beautiful. I like this one. Okay, let's go back to the okay, this one. Okay, it has the 1.99-inch IPS LCD screen. Okay, check here on the specs. 4 by 454 by 454 pixel resolution. Okay, it runs the 87 Realtek 87 62DT processor. Okay, 300 mAh battery, and of course we do have a Bluetooth 5.0 BLE for its connectivity. Okay, available color for this wearable is color black, silver, rose, gold. So we have here is the rose gold color. Okay, it has NFC support wireless charging. We do have a heart rate, blood pressure, and blood oxygen monitoring. Okay, for the full specs of this wearable, just check out the links below. Okay, so far it looks good, it looks nice. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. So this is the IW8 Smartwatch, okay, with a wireless charging support. Bye.